When I think about when I was a bit younger and definitely kind of trying to work out maybe what my sexuality was or my place in the world, if I'd just seen like a big rainbow flag with a Wales logo on it in the corner of the ground, even it would have given me like a huge amount of confidence. I think I could be myself a lot earlier than I managed to get it. So I think it would definitely help bring people into the game as well. I think just knowing that there's a group of people that are the same as you going to these games would be such a benefit and get so many more people involved.
It's about showing that there is a space for you there. We got a trans flag made with a big dragon on it to take to internationals, just to say, just so there's a visible sort of sign of welcome. Whilst that won't change anything, I have done some work in the past with older lesbian and gay and trans people, and even just seeing a rainbow flag on a door or something made them feel as though that was a welcome place that they could go. So again, whilst it might be slightly tokenistic, a flag, I think there is some symbolic weight behind it, for some people anyway, not for everyone.
My daughter's a real advocate for LGBTQ rights, and she, really kind of has been a big influence on me for, wanting to make sure that their voices are heard. An LGBTQ plus supporters group for Wales would give her something to be kind of included in and feel part of, because growing up she would have been, I think she would have enjoyed football a bit more, I guess, being included more. And again, I keep coming back to it, isn't it? It's that feeling included and feeling part of it.
Obviously, when your friends are planning an away trip, they're just planning on sort of where to stay, where to go, where the bars are. But like, if you're an LGBT fan, it kind of adds another level. Thinking about the World Cups is probably where I started thinking about supporters groups in general, because the next one being in Qatar, if that was the only World Cup that Wales were to qualify for in my lifetime, which, having looked at historical trends, could be the case if we make it, to have to go to a country like that, where I know I'm going to have to completely hide who I am, it's just going to be a really odd scenario. It's really depressing. I suppose creating that inclusive atmosphere will get so many people, not just to the stadiums to watch the game, but playing the sport as well. And I suppose all fans ultimately want the same thing. They want to go to the game, see their team hopefully win, have a nice, enjoyable and safe day out. So we're all working towards the same goals on that. And it'll benefit everyone in football, from the clubs, the leagues, the players, the fans.
And the hopes for it is always that we create a community of people, a community of fans, that we're able to learn from each other and we're able to share our experiences. But ultimately, what unites us all is our love of the game. Ultimately, then it comes down to doing away trips, doing all of these different things that we can go and we can represent ourselves as a supporters group, and know that, just being able to see that flag, in a stadium in Europe on a Wales away game is incredible. It would mean a lot to so many people I know. I know myself, if I, as a teenager, growing up and seeing that in a stadium, seeing that exist, it would have meant the world to me, because I would have known, for me then, I could go somewhere and be myself and feel like I'm safe, and I've got people around me that can support me, and I don't have to hide who I am, I don't have to pretend, and I don't have to lie. I can be myself, and that's what this supporters group is going to offer. It's going to offer a place where we can all learn, we can share, and we can grow together as a community.